Flood is a world-first organisation that is geared towards making home insurance affordable for those people living at risk of flooding. And how Flood works is as a reinsurance company, which is an insurance company for insurance companies. And it offers insurance companies the chance to transfer the flood risk for domestic properties into Flood at a fixed, affordable premium and at an excess per policy that's also affordable. So Flood was set up over a period of 3 to 4 years. It's really put in place to replace an old agreement between the insurance industry and government, which was trying to make affordable home insurance available for those at risk of flooding. We wanted to replace that with something that was more sustainable, that put affordable home insurance and pricing at the heart of how it operates. And so Flood over the last 2 years has gone through a very detailed process to get legislation through government, to get the regulations through the European Parliament, to become authorised by the regulators, and is now on the brink of going live on the 4th of April. And once it's live, that will make a big difference to some 300 to 400,000 properties at risk of flooding over the period of Flood operation. The key element of Flood is that the experience for the end customer, the person buying home insurance, shouldn't change at all. If they buy their home insurance through a comparison website, directly through an insurer or through a broker, it shouldn't change at all. Flood will happen very much behind the scenes. But how Flood should operate is by offering insurers the chance to transfer the risk at an affordable price in what is one of the most competitive home insurance markets in the world. Those price effects should get felt by the consumer. And so customers should first of all see an increase in the number of options they've got available for home insurance, whether they live at flood risk or not. And they should also see that those options available to them are more affordable because of Flood offering to take on that risk at an affordable price to insurers. We have to remember that Flood is a world first. And so we are about to go live on the 4th of April, after which point we'll start to see an effect on people's home insurance. But what Flood objective is to provide a mechanism that allows insurers to be able to offer home insurance in areas at risk of flooding where previously they may not have done because of the risk of flooding being so high. So the effect we want to see to customers' pricing and their premiums and their excesses is that they become more available, but more crucially they have more options available to them as more and more insurers offer insurance to those customers because they're using Flood and the subsidised premium that Flood offers. One of the principles of Flood is that the customer experience in how they buy insurance and crucially how they claim should be unchanged. So they'll do that through the insurance company or through a broker. However they do it at the moment, that will be how they do it going forward. But with Flood in place, the insurance company will then get that claim reimbursed from Flood where they've transferred that risk to Flood So the main effect for customers should be that everything should be unchanged, but crucially at renewal, they should find they're able to either get their renewal quote at an affordable price or have other options available to them in the wider market. Because of Flood existence, their renewed home insurance should also be affordable.